Meaning of idli.
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 Idli. Idli is a type of savory rice cake that is a popular breakfast food in South India. It is typically made by grinding soaked rice and urad dal into a batter, then fermenting it overnight before steaming it into fluffy cakes. The resulting dish is light, fluffy, and nutritious, with a slightly sour flavor from the fermentation process. Idli is often served with coconut chutney and sambar, a spicy vegetable soup. It is considered to be a healthy and filling breakfast option, and its popularity has spread beyond India to other parts of the world.